Hello everyone, welcome to TechieQA channel. In this video, we are going to see about Maven. So basically, what is Maven? Maven is a build management tool actually. So you can say build automation tool. So what is the use of Maven? So in olden days, we have created a Java project. So here is the Eclipse. We have to create a Java project, and if you want to add any dependencies, so for example, I have already created some Java project here. For example, I can use this Maven for a Selenium API testing, and there are a lot even Java development. So I can use Maven for a dependency management as well. So I have created for Selenium project here. Maybe I can use some simple test. So if you see the dependency for this project, I have added manually from the properties. Go to Java build path. I have added all the jars here. Okay. So this is Java project. So what Maven is using here? So using Maven, we can add all the jar in programmatical way. So there is no UI. So we have to add as a XML file. For example, for each jar, there will be like Maven dependencies will be there. So that we have to include in pom.xml. So I will tell you what is pom.xml also. So if you had it manually, so what is the disadvantage of this? Okay, take an example of a server. So if your server doesn't have a UI, if it is a command line tool, how can we, if you want to change some version, how can you change it? So you will face a issue again. If you want to keep update of the version of all the jar file, again you won't get any UI level in the server side actually. So if it is Maven, you can log in through command line and you can go to the pom.xml and you can using editor, some simple editor, command line editor only, you can change the values of the versions of jars. So this is the advantage of Maven. So here we have to click on add external jar and we have to find it in UI and we have to add. So let's see how to install first of all Maven. So go to file, new project, Java project is there but Maven is not there. Go to others. So here you can see Maven. If you are not able to see Maven, the first thing what you have to do, cancel it, go to help, Eclipse marketplace. So here you just search Maven. Okay, you got Maven integration for Eclipse and Java 8 support for M2E. So better you install both of these. Maybe this Java 8 if you install, the Maven project will be enabled and integration also is important. So these two you can install it. So both are I have installed. That's why I'm able to see Maven. So sometime if you develop a Eclipse version based on the Eclipse version also it will be free pre-installed. If you are not able to see, you have to come here and install it. Okay, once you're done, you can create your Maven project. So go to Maven project. For create a simple project, click on next. You have to mention your group ID, maybe something like my company name or something I can write. So here I am entering my name only, or here Maven demo. So when I do, I can see here. So I can see some small m also. If you watch, you can see m also here. So just extract it. Here you can see pom.xml. So if you want to add any dependencies, you no need to go to the properties or Java build path here. Directly go to pom.xml. So here nothing is there as of now. Just add dependencies. So in between, like inside dependencies, you have to add a dependency. So for example, I want to add a dependency for TestNG. So in Google, I can search TestNG Maven dependency. Here, Maven repository. So this is a website, you will get the dependency things. So see, this whole thing is dependency values. Like these are the properties you have to include in pom.xml. So here you will get a Gradle as well as like multiple build management system, and also sometime it was available, not able to see now Maven. Okay, so go and paste it here. So I will add a Selenium also. So I can search it here only. Okay, Selenium Java, the latest version 3.13. I can copy, I can paste it here. Control E, just format it. So when you are saving it, you can see here, building the workspace. So if you see, it's installing actually jar file at backend. So where it will actually store all the file, it will store it in your local. So if you are creating some other project, for example, if I'm creating other Maven project, it will not download every time. So it will use the same Maven from the like M2 directory. If it is Mac, go to cd ls -a. You can see .m2. So here it will store. Just open .m2 and see repository. So all the repositories, so whatever you have installed, for example, testng, log4j I can see, junit I can see. Okay, so common chain, common validator. So whatever the like properties you have mentioned, Selenium, HQ, everything will be installed, and the jar file will be stored there. It will be automatically mapped into this project when you mention this one. So if you want to change the version, just you have to change it here, this version. That's it. So let's see, am I able to access? So if it is, you are getting some kind of warning, right click on it, go to Maven, update project, just do force, click on force update and OK. Okay, just go here, create one package, maybe package name will be Maven demo test, something like that. Class. Okay, so when you try to import WebDriver, you can. Okay, so this is the advantage of, okay, some issue maybe while downloading I have cancelled or what, I don't know. I will put it again and save. Okay, sorry. So public void my test class. If you want to annotate with testng, you can use testng annotation. See, without adding any library with the properties, you can still use testng because we have already dependency. We have added dependency from here. Okay, you can access WebDriver, event listener, WebDriver wait. These are all from OpenQA.Selenium things. So like if you are able to access these things, so you can create a Maven project like this one. Okay guys, I think I have explained like what is the difference between Java project and Maven project and how to configure it. So like if you see my like next videos or next session on something like API testing or automation testing, I used to create Maven project. That's why I given some introduction about Maven. So when we create a real-time project or real demo, so there I can show you like real-time how we are using Maven and how it is full in the different kind of projects. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.